And today we're making shakshuka, which is originally Moroccan, I think, dish. And usually it's red, and we make it from the greens I have in my garden. So first I put the Swiss chard. I take the hard part of the leaf separate because
it's disgusting.
it takes longer to cook. Kale leaves, and I prepare the same way. And then I chop some onions.
You fry them.
Fry
the stem of the leaves.
Yeah.
Of the Swiss leaves, what are they called?
Swiss chard leaves. And we add
the Swiss chard.
Yeah. And I added to it, do you know what it is?
What is that? Kale.
Yep, I added the kale.
You can add salt or any, and then you'll put condiments you like. You crack eggs into the pan.
Yep. I put 3 eggs, and
you just wait until they cook, but not completely, because you still want it to be runny.
Yeah. We like the eggs runny, but if you want it to be cooked, you just put the lid on. Bon appetit. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Love you.